fellow crafters, and welcome back to Inspiration for Cards. Today I'm going to be making a very simple card for you. It's quick, easy. I was working with this Planner Essentials Mason Jar Special Kit from Elizabeth Craft Design. It's designed by Esther Glas. This was sent to me by Esther to try out, and I absolutely love it. I made a beautiful page for my December day-by-day planner with it. And then it gave me the inspiration for a card. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now I'm going to be die cutting out some bits and bobs, some elements from this set, and we're going to turn that into a card. So let's get on with it. I'm going to be using all sorts of different stuff, etc. I will list everything below again. But the star of the show is this mason jar set from Elizabeth Craft Design. So without any further ado, let's dive in and make this card. And here we have it, the finished card. Quick, easy. These dies are fantastic. And it just shows that even if it's a Planner Essentials set Mason Jar Special Kit, you can turn it into a card quickly. So that makes these sets even more versatile than I thought at first. I really like this. Thank you, Esther and Elizabeth Craft Design, for designing these fantastic sets. I love them, and you'll be seeing a lot more of them. But this was just a short and quick video of how you can turn a set that's intended for something else into something completely different. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you for the next one. Thank you. Bye.